Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about external style sheets. The external style sheet is generally used when you want to make changes on multiple pages. It is ideal for this condition because it facilitates you to change the look for entire website by changing just one file. It uses link tag on every pages and the link tag should be put inside the head section. So let us see the program. Here let us see the example of the external style sheet. Given a HTML tag, within the HTML we have given a header tag. Within the header tag we have given the title. So the title name is external CSS example, and we have given a link. The link is going to link the external style sheet with the HTML page. So now the link, the relation is style sheet which we have given, and the type is text or CSS. So now here we have specified the hyperreference external CSS. The left side content we are going to save as an external.css, extr.css, and we are going to close the header tag, so that within the head tag we have given a link which is specified. So now we are going to create a body tag, and within the body tag we have specified the header and welcome to external CSS example. So now within the body tag, so whatever the properties are there within the body, that will be applied. So the font family is Arial and sans serif is the fonts which they are using, and the background color is F4 F4 F4, and the margin is 0 and padding is 0. And the header which we have given is welcome to CSS external, welcome to external CSS example, which we have specified in the h1 tag, and we are going to close the h1 tag, and here we have specified the paragraph tag with some effects. Font size is 3.3 rem, so which is going to specify the em and rem, so which we will discuss in the next classes. The color we have specified in hexadecimal notation 00ff66. Let us see this particular example. We are going to copy this example and we are going to paste in the Visual Studio Code. Save this program by the file name .html. You have saved the program successfully. Now save the program of CSS. Now you have saved the program successfully and run with the live server. So now it is going to show the effects. Welcome to external CSS example. The font which is specified is in green color. So because we have specified the Arial and sans serif. So now if you want to change the color, click on that one and adjust the palette, and you can able to change the color which you want to specify. So now we are going to change the header section color to some other color. So now we are going to change to light brown. So now save the program, and if you are going to run the program, if you want to specify the margin and padding size, if you want to increase, you can increase. So otherwise no need to increase. So let us run the program. The color has been changed to different color. In this manner you can able to apply the effects of the CSS. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.